Since she became, since he became, what the fuck is that thing? Since they became a woman, they have made it in life.
Funny Bone Live, Aina's son.
Next up, from Port Harcourt as well. Make some noise for Comedian GSN. Wanna clap now? They are good. All right.
Sure. Half an hour on Lagos, we done. Waiting to happen. I'll Bobby, half an hour. All of us for Port Harcourt will be courtists online. If you let that boy for Port Harcourt, you do court. If you join another court for Lagos, you do 2 courts. Baba, no stress yourself for this country. Anything what they do for this country, chop your savings, chop your savings. Stop saving money in this country. Stop saving money. Stop. You don't notice that same money when you save for bank yesterday, the value don't depreciate the next day. Chop your savings, chop your savings. Nigeria, they round up next week, Thursday. Chop your money. Chop your money. What did they save money for? That in a bad character. Chop your money. The way next of kin that they use, they find money now. They go just wait to make you die. Chop your money. Oh. Second advice, anything what they do for Nigeria, no die, yo. No die, yo. No die, yo. If you die as a married man, they go fuck your wife. If you die as a married woman, they go fuck your husband. If una two they are alive, they go still sleep with una two. No die, yo. Will they do justice for Mohbad? Justice for Mohbad for GRA for Port Harcourt. Justice for Mohbad. Everybody carry placard. Justice for Mohbad. The full hotel for GRA for Port Harcourt. They don't book them. Man and woman, they were inside the room. They were mourning Mohbad inside. But anything what they do for this life, no stress yourself. And learn how to pay evil for evil. People bad. Learn how to pay evil for evil. If not be wickedness, tell me why person go there on that duvet mess. Something where you're supposed to spread around, only you just the chopper. If you know you're a man here, please a round of applause for yourself. A round of applause for yourself. Yeah. Whether you like it or not, men are becoming useless in the world today. Now women, yes. Yes, after that you beat me, nothing that I'll be Port Harcourt boy will go wrong. Yes. Men are becoming useless. Women own this world. Do you know that as a man, if you don't vex, they will say you have anger issues. But as a woman, if woman start to vex, they will say she get mood swing. A hustling young man is a broke-ass nigger. But a hustling young woman is an independent woman. This thing start for Bible. Adam and Eve chop apple. God came down, come meet Eve. Oh, Eve, for this thing you did, for this disobedience, you will suffer during childbirth. That is the only time that women are allowed to suffer. And even for that suffer, they first enjoy before they suffer. Then God turned to the man will chop second-hand apple. Tell her to say your suffer is that you will till the soil. Meaning say as a man, you go suffer before you chop. That's why if you're here and you're a woman and you suffer before you chop, you're a man. To be a man is very hard. Dr. Imoni, do you know that as a man that you are, if you build a house, you're a landlord. Automatically your wife is a landlady. Do you know that? Good. But do you know that if your wife build a house as landlady, you'll be landlady husband? Today we have Ministry of Women Affairs. You don't hear of Ministry of Men Affairs before? Politicians will go word by word, word by word, word by. They get women leader, women. You don't hear of men leader before? Nobody they lead men. We just they walk out and down they mislead. Even English language does not support men. Give him book. Wrong English. Give her book. Correct English. Even in law, before you go wait for court, you need to wear wig. You need to wear wig. That means you need to look like a woman to win argument. To be a man is very tough. Today, pharmaceutical company where they produce soap, cream, and all these things. When they want to advertise, they go use woman. Good for your skin, rub it all over, and everything. But when they read for Panadol, paracetamol, Amatem, they go use man. What kind of rubbish with this? To be a man is very tough. That's why Bobrisky left. Do you know that since Bobrisky became a woman, she has made it in life? What's the name of the other one where they with Tunayab? James Brown, I've been waiting. Since she became, since he became, what the fuck is that thing? Since they became a woman, they have made it in life. No stress yourself for this country. No stress yourself. Please, finally, before I leave, social media is not for everybody. The number of likes you have online does not mean that people like you in real life. Yes. See person where they hate Russia. Yes. It doesn't mean that people like you. In Port Harcourt, you get this challenge where they do online. Not be every challenge where you go join. I say one girl when no get yash, they like slate. They go join people. Put your hand on my. Wait till I just they see that spinal cord from head to toe. Challenge when they do online. When they do, I'm not the bride. I'm the bride's brother. They are I'm not the bride. I'm the bride's sister. They are I'm not the bride. Baba, then do this thing for Port Harcourt. For Port Harcourt. You get the play when they call Ogoni. Ogoni people carry their juju enter challenge. Online challenge. Oh. They do it for burial. What do they see now? I'm not the dead body. I'm the dead body brother. I'm not the dead body. I'm the dead body sister. I'm not the dead body. I'm the dead body auntie. To my greatest surprise, dead body come out. I'm the dead body. Lagos, good night.
Funny Bone Live. Aina Son.